What if I told you that you can start building real AI skills today, completely for free? And no, this is not one of those free courses videos where half the courses are outdated, no longer available, or not really free at all. I spent the last week actually going through every course on this list myself, and I only included the ones that are genuinely worth your time. These courses come from trusted platforms, cover the latest AI practices, and teach you practical skills you can use immediately. Plus, some of them even come with official certificates you can add to your resume. Let's get started. First up is Foundations of Prompt Engineering from Amazon Web Services. The duration is about 4 hours, which makes it long enough to be valuable, but short enough to finish in a weekend. This course covers the core principles, techniques, and best practices for designing highly effective prompts. It takes you from the basics of interacting with foundation models all the way to advanced prompt engineering techniques. You'll also discover how to guard against prompt misuse and mitigate bias, ensuring precise, high-quality outputs for any project. Next is the Google AI Professional Certificate on Coursera. While it's not technically free, you can easily use Coursera's 7-day trial to finish it in just a few hours without paying a dime. If you decide you want the official certificate at the end, you can pay the $49 fee. This is actually one of the best AI courses for beginners right now. Designed by Google experts, this program gives you hands-on experience building the exact AI skills employers are looking for. The entire program includes 7 courses and takes about 8 hours to complete. You will learn how to use Google's latest tools to solve real-world problems, moving from the absolute basics of writing good prompts all the way to building your own generative AI solutions. I've left a link in the description for my comprehensive review of this certificate, so make sure you check that out. Before we move on to number 3, if you are finding this list helpful, please take a quick second to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps the channel, and it tells me to make more videos like this. Also, make sure you stick around until the end, because the courses near the end are the ones most people overlook, but they may actually give you the biggest advantage. The third course is from MIT called How to AI Almost Anything. This one is for you if you want a broader, more thoughtful introduction instead of a tool-specific class. This course is actually taught in MIT programs and shows how artificial intelligence can be applied to real-world data well beyond just text. It breaks down how multimodal systems process vision, audio, sensors, and even art. You'll build a flexible understanding of where these tools fit into work, creativity, and problem-solving, grasping the principles of modern deep learning to apply to your own projects. Moving on to number 4, we have IBM's AI for Everyone on edX. Taking around 10 hours to finish, this is a fantastic starting point if you want to build a solid foundation from scratch. The lessons break down what artificial intelligence actually is, where it is used, and the core ideas behind machine learning, deep learning, and neural networks, all without needing a technical background. It also highlights potential risks and career paths, making it especially useful for a balanced, hype-free introduction. It is one of the safest picks here for complete beginners. You can audit the course for free for 1 month, and there is an option to get the official certification for $69. Number 5 is AI Fluency, Framework and Foundations from Anthropic, the company behind Claude. It's a quick, high-impact course that takes about an hour. The curriculum focuses heavily on a structured approach to human-AI interaction called the 4D framework: delegation, description, discernment, and diligence. It teaches you how to strategically delegate tasks, craft the right context for your prompts, critically evaluate the outputs, and apply safe, ethical practices in your daily work. Next is Artificial Intelligence Fundamentals through IBM SkillsBuild. It takes about 10 hours to complete. If you want to see what an AI career actually looks like, this course explores the history of AI and dives deep into how AI systems make predictions, understand language, and analyze images. You even get a hands-on simulation where you build and test your own machine learning model using IBM Watson Studio. After finishing all modules, you earn an industry-recognized certification from IBM. Number 7 is Generative AI for Educators with Gemini. It's a short 2-hour course with Assist Your Teaching Practice. You'll learn how to use Gemini to develop structured lesson plans, create engaging learning materials, and personalize your approach for different audiences. It's all about integrating these tools into your workflow responsibly and efficiently. Number 8 is Introduction to Vertex AI Studio by Google. It takes about an hour and a half to finish. This course is perfect if you want to see how businesses actually build with AI, rather than just using regular chatbots. You will learn how to take a business idea, build a prototype, and launch it into the real world. The lessons include a hands-on lab where you practice designing prompts, tuning models, and building applications with Gemini. It guides you through the entire process from a simple prompt to a finished product, and you even earn a digital badge when you complete it. Coming in at number 9 is Google's Machine Learning Crash Course, which takes about 15 hours. This is where things get a bit more technical. It breaks down the core ideas of machine learning using popular tools like TensorFlow and Pandas. You will learn about topics like loss, gradient descent, and neural networks through hands-on coding exercises. This is perfect for experienced programmers who want to start building AI. You don't need any past experience with machine learning, but you should be comfortable with basic math and writing code, ideally in Python, to complete the projects. Number 10 is Harvard's Machine Learning and AI with Python. Expect to spend about 25 to 30 hours working through this one. If you want to use data to make better, smarter decisions, this course shows you exactly how. It teaches you how to write Python code that actually powers artificial intelligence systems. You will start with the basics by building decision trees, and then move on to more advanced models like random forests and gradient boosting. The lessons use real-world examples to help you practice making predictions, testing your results, and avoiding common mistakes like biased outcomes. You can take the course completely for free, or you can choose to get a verified certificate at the end for $299. Course 11 is Google AI Essentials, also hosted on Coursera. It takes about 4 hours to complete the entire 5-course series. Just like the other Coursera program on this list, it is not completely free forever, but you can easily use their 7-day trial to finish it without paying anything. This program is perfect if you want to learn how to use artificial intelligence to speed up your daily tasks and spark new ideas at work. You will learn how to use generative tools to help develop content, write clear and specific prompts, and make more informed decisions. It also teaches you how to use these tools responsibly by identifying potential biases. By the end, you will know exactly how to use AI as a helpful assistant to boost your productivity in any job, and you can earn an official certificate directly from Google. Number 12 is Learn How to Use AI for Coding from Codecademy. It takes about 1 hour to complete, and you do not need any prior experience to get started. You will learn how to use generative tools like ChatGPT as your dedicated programming assistant. The tutorials break down prompt engineering specifically for software development, showing you how to generate functional code, write bash commands, and create regular expressions. You will also learn how to debug issues, write tests much faster, and clean up your code to make it easier to read. The lessons are free, but if you want to showcase the official certificate on your resume, you will need a Codecademy Pro subscription, which costs $19 a month. Whether you are just learning to code or are already a developer, you will learn how to massively speed up your daily workflow. Course 13 is a highly practical video series from Google called Make AI Work for You. Available entirely for free on YouTube, you can binge the whole playlist in about an hour. It's packed with actionable tips on using Google AI tools to instantly boost your productivity, automate tasks, brainstorm fresh ideas, and completely organize your digital life without needing any technical setup. Number 14 is AI for Business Professionals from HP Life. It takes less than an hour to finish, making it a quick way to boost your daily productivity. This course gives you the knowledge to use artificial intelligence for better decision-making and career growth. You will explore the differences between standalone AI tools and built-in AI features, helping you figure out which applications are best for areas like marketing, communications, and operations. The lessons also cover how to write effective prompts to get the best results from popular tools like ChatGPT and Canva. By the end, you will know how to create a clear plan to bring AI into your daily work, set measurable goals, and use these technologies ethically by focusing on privacy and fairness. You also get a certificate when you complete it. Finally, number 15 is Intro to AI Agents, also from Codecademy. This takes around 2 hours and dives into the absolute next big frontier, autonomous agents. It explains what makes a system an agent, how they can use external tools, make decisions, and complete complex multi-step tasks entirely on their own. It covers the basics of building AI agents, giving you a head start on the most exciting trend in tech today. All the links to these programs are down in the description below, so you can get started right away. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.